You are going to love the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, wheel covers, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.